Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Story Time for April 7th, 2024, Part 1. Today's theme is National Library Week. The Bad Seed Goes to the Library, written by Jory John, illustrated by Pete Oswald. I may be a bad seed, but I'm in a good mood. Want to know why? Because I'm at the library. It's my favorite place on earth. Oh yeah, it's true. The library has incredible books. It has nice librarians. It has comfortable places to sit in, big windows too. La 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 la, I love the library. Shh. Sure, I might accidentally use my outside voice at first, but hey, that's all part of the fun. Shh. Shh. Anyway, I wonder which book I'll choose. The shelves are packed with lots of great things to read. This one looks good. And so does this. And so does this. Look, I found a book. It seems perfect for me. It's called The Speedy Seed. Now I'm going to find a lovely reading spot. No, too busy. No, too dark. No, too quiet. Ah, yes, this is the spot. This is just right. It's time to read. Ha 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 ha! Gasp! Wah! Ha 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 ha! Well, that was simply the best book I've ever read in my life. An instant classic. I'm so glad that it's mine now. I'm keeping it forever. I'm going to read it over and over and over again. La 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 la, I love the library. Shh. 2 weeks later. Whoosh. A letter from the library? Whoa, it says that my book is due. Someone else is waiting to check out the Speedy Seed. Who? What? Why? Excuse me? How dare they? This book is mine. Mine, 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 mine. Yes, this is my book, and I'm keeping it forever and ever and ever. The Speedy Seed is so important to me. I don't know what I would do without it. I think I'd feel bad. Really bad. I guess it makes sense that the library wants its book back. But will anybody ever enjoy this book as much as I do? Will they? I just don't know what to do. I suppose it's important to share good books with other seeds, because seeds who read are smart indeed. But is there even another book worth reading? What if there isn't? Gasp! I guess I should go find out. Yes, I'm off to the library again. La 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 la, I love the library. Hello, library. Hello, new books. Shh. Hello, comfy chairs. Sheesh, it's time to return the Speedy Seed. At least I can borrow it again some other day. Here's the fellow who wants to read The Speedy Seed. He's been waiting to read it. Yippee! Oh boy, is he excited! I've made him so happy. I'm a hero, just like the Speedy Seed. Now I can read something new. Maybe I'll find something I like as much as I like the last book. Maybe I won't, but hey, that's the adventure of reading. I can read this, or this, or that, or this, or these, or those. I wonder what I'll pick. The possibilities are endless. La 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 la, I love the library. Shh. Gosh, this is my new favorite book. Oh yeah, it's true. I hope they never want it back. 2 weeks later. Whoosh. A letter from the library? I wonder what they want. Oh no, 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 no. Not again. Oh, no. The end. We're going to do a bad seed puzzle. You'll need a glue stick, or maybe glue if you want. And your craft to go kit is a piece of yellow construction paper and puzzle pieces. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the puzzle on the paper, and then we're going to glue it to the paper. So like that, there, and there. So now we know where they all go. We'll go ahead and put the glue on and glue the pieces to the paper. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off the video. You know how to glue. And I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. Alright, there it is. It's a little bit askew, but it's on the paper. And that's all you do. Bad seed puzzle.